The city of Marrakech in Morocco is just so exotic and hard to believe it's just 3.5 hours from London. We stayed here for a few nights in September, and while we stayed in an apartment in Galiz for a couple of nights, we decided to splash out and treat ourselves to a 5-star hotel. Stay tuned and let's see what we got for our money. We stayed here, the Kenzi Rose Garden. So this is just a 28-minute walk to Jemaa el-Fnaa. It's the main square. And we also picked it because it was just a few minutes walk from Galiz, from where we had been staying. While we were here, the temperatures had got up to 38 degrees, so we were really looking forward to somewhere with a really nice pool. And the hotel didn't disappoint. So nice to cool off, play some games, join in the fun. Spend our last day here under the trees. In the morning, I had a little bit of yoga before breakfast. And then breakfast, as you see, was plentiful. Breads. Everything you'd expect, really. The eggs, tomatoes, potatoes. Quite a few naughties too to tempt us. And it was just really nice to be able to sit out after doing yoga, sit in the sun. We had 2 or 3 hours, no rush. Now we had to try the donuts. We're not mad on donuts, we don't normally eat them, but, well, had to give it a go, at least for the channel. So here's the room. So we had a double room. And it was very pleasant. The bed was really comfortable, and it was big. There was no balcony. There's not many balconies in this hotel, but we got a great view. Look at that. So we were on half board, so we got breakfast and we got evening meal. And for this, bearing in mind it's September, so it's just before high season, we paid 1,769 Moroccan dirham. That's 175 euros. Everything was clean and tidy, very comfortable. Kind of what you expect at this price range, isn't it? Nice shower. Now the great thing is, checkout was at 12. Well, they held our luggage and we used the pool all afternoon. So for evening meal, we had the buffet, which came within our price. And again, there was plenty of choice. Lots of salads, as you can see. Nice desserts. Also got the usual pasta station, and the pizza ovens, souks. And of course you can't come to Morocco without the tagine, can you? And then there's the meat. Mexican rice here. Meatballs. Potatoes. Fish. And vegetables, of course. Now you did have the choice of two specialty restaurants. There's this one here, which is the Moroccan. Step out from here and you've got the outdoor bar. And this was welcome because, you know, it was quite hot, 38 degrees in the day. Sit out here and look over the swimming pool. And then there was the Italian. As I said, we were just here for the one night, so we had the buffet. But if we stayed here another night, we might have tried one of these. And so, that was the Kenzi Rose. The great thing too is it's only 10 minutes drive from the airport. Now, if you want to see what we did in Marrakech, you want to see what we did in Souks, which is a day trip we took, then you can find those videos on the channel. But until the next time, take care.